Hi, so we'll be demonstrating the mini Facebook application which we have built in. So we have this is a simple form, login form and it has been deployed on HTTPS. This is by Secat Team4 by Karthi Balasundram and Kushagra Sahani. And yeah, so this is how our login page looks like. And if we go to sign up, so this is our sign up page. We can add a new page, new user, test 3, because we already have test and test 1. We can do test 2. We put test 2 and we put the password as test 2. We submit the button. It says new user has been created. It gives us a pop-up. Now we try to log in with the new user. Test 2, test 2. So this is how we logged in. So this shows us the particular post which we have already added: add comment, edit post, delete post, and view comments buttons. Now if we try to log out, so it's gonna log us out. Now we log in again with the same user. And so this is how our post looks like. And if we go to add post and we say hello from test 2, test 2 says hello. So we try to submit it and it should show in the index page. So you see here a new ID has been generated, which is an auto increment over the database file, and it says hello from test2 and test2 says hello, whatever the post data we got. It's in a table and these are the owners of the post, right? And yeah, and we try to now log in to a different user and see whether it shows up in the new user. It was already logged in, so we log in again. So the other user we have is test. We try to log in with that, so it should show us the post showing up from the test2 user as well. Now if we add a post, it is showing up. Then we have a super user built in as well, which car uh, for before that I would like to edit post. Let's say I edit this post, which is id is 3 and hey there, I am Kush, and it's trying to fetch the id, and on the basis of the id it will modify the text. So this is how our edit post.php looks. uh, we will be mentioning a new text, hello new edited text. So when we hit submit, it will modify that particular post, hello new edited post. Now we try to delete that particular post. We go to delete post button. So this is just an echo statement, we can ignore. So this is a delete post button. It asks us to confirm whether we wanna do delete this post or not. We delete that post. So if you see, that post has been deleted and the IDs have been updated over the post form data. Now my teammate Karthi will be elaborating on the super user part, and he will be showing us how the registered users will be accessible to the super user. He can see who all are the registered users, which we have implemented as of now. So Karthi, please take over.
Thanks, Kush. And yeah, this is all we have done for the normal user, and we still have 3 users for this. So it's interactive and interesting too. Let's go back to the super user login and let's check it out. So we have a different URL for that. So and super user, and we also added it stating okay the special characters, and we used an HTML to it's called as HTML special chars, just to make sure we are I mean making sure it's like real to the close world what we are using in the social media. So even the password is the special characters you can see here. password must have at least 8 characters, so it's also a special thing. And 1 minute. So it's interactive. See we also get the red pop-up. Let me. I knew wantonly I typed the incorrect password. Yeah, now it went, and we got it logged in. So this just echoes the username, dollar username, and the super user privilege is little extra than the normal user. So you can see log out and view registered users. So this navigates into the different page, and if we click, so the registered users are test 1, test 2, test 3. So we could easily see Kush showed dynamically how we add the user, how the user registers by himself, and it's been updated dynamically over here, moving back and forth to the database .sql file. So yeah, once again, it's like view registered users, and yeah, and we do have one more super user. Let me show that as well. So it's super user one at gmail.com, super user 2 at, again the special characters we have used it. So there are two super users. So if one is not, the other can take care, right? So even you can see the registered users, and still, yeah, we are very much interested, and we work very hard for this, especially my teammate. So what we're gonna do is we not gonna stop here. It's very interesting, and deploying it in HTTPS was really interesting because this is what we have seen in the real world, something about the SSL and something. So we are interested, and we still progress this to a good extent. And summer is a good time for us to do that. And Yakush, wanna tell something?
Yeah, so we have used most of the we have learned a lot around the PHP part and how it interacts with the HTML, and we have also used the, if you see, we have also modified according to the regex pattern here, and if, and it only takes email as a username here, and in the password we have also added a particular pattern which it tries to signify whether it is minimum 8 characters, and then on the basis of that whether it contains at least a caps lock or maybe a small letter, and then a special character along with it. So this is how our workflow works for minifacebook.com, and we are looking forward to modify the same workflow with respect to more CSS and the UI part, and specifically adding the enable and disabling a registered user, which we will be working on. Thank you.
Thank you.